Hi guys, so today I'm gonna do another product review, something I bought on Amazon. So thought of doing it. So let's start on doing the review. So this is just the headphones that I was looking for, because when it comes to headphones like the top range Sony or Bose, though they will be price ranging around 345 to 356. But then the one that I bought, the Bluedio T7, which is very low, but then it does have a lot of good reviews. So I thought of buying it. So let's see the features, and then I'm gonna mention what are the features that it has. So as for Amazon. So let's get into it. Okay, let's try to things, and then has to say that it was a very good deal, because I do have Amazon Prime, so whatever I order would not have any shipping cost, which is good. So you should try it. You should have it too. Okay, so the box, right, so you can see it. So I do have to say Amazon actually do take good care of the products, and then how they're gonna deliver it to the customer. A lot of things to secure your product when they're transferring it. So this is the headset that I bought, which usually I would be using it for when I'm commuting to work, and maybe probably use it to listen to music. So let's and the price is really good. So I got it for $59, 59 Australian dollars. Yeah. So I'm going to open this. Yeah, there's a single tape here. And this actually comes with the active noise cancellation, which is really good. Yeah, so nice. So the color. So let's try to get this out. It's really exciting when you open new stuff, just like Christmas every day. Yeah, so pretty good. So a bit heavy, but then I think it's do have like a solid build. I think it's kind of like a metal outer layer for it, and then the first the header section is actually made of good leather, and then it really fits, and then you can adjust the sides, and probably, yeah, even when I actually wore it, I can't hear anything, because there's a construction happening nearby, and then there's a noise. But then after wearing this, you don't actually hear it, even without turning it on. So that's how good it is. And let's see what else we have here. I think some sort of set of accessories that you get. So, oh wow, there's a bag, maybe a carry-on bag. Oh, this will come in handy, so you can when you're carrying your headset, so it will not get dirty. If you're not using it, you can actually keep it in. Okay, so you have the charger for the USB, and then there's another charger. Oh, two chargers. Actually, this is actually to power up. You can actually connect this to your phone, and the other charger is a USB charger. So there's the user manual, I don't know whether it comes up with another CD or anything, but that's about it. So it's in mainly Chinese and probably in English as well. Yeah. So yeah, let's get into more details. So let's go into Amazon product description. So it comes under like 590 grams of weight, and this was released on 2019 April 8. So it's quite pretty new. And then out of in Amazon, like product review wise, it's has like a 4.1 review rating, which is good. Given the fact that it's fairly new in the market, probably you would have different customer feedbacks when the time goes through. But for now, it's actually has a good rating. Okay, guys. So I just connected the device for charging. So this needs to be charged for 2 hours straight. And if you are taking a closer look at the device, so this is the ANC turn on switch, and then you can see the indicator, and this is the power switch turn off, and while it's charging, it will indicate that is being charged. And this is the ANC shift key. And looking at the other details on the cover of the pack, let's see. So actually there's a good feature, like you can actually verify on the on this device whether this is a genuine product or it's a counterfeit. So they gave actually code, so you can scratch the code off and then you can have a look on the website whether it's a valid product or not. Pretty good. So let's see how it goes. If you guys enjoyed the video, so if you have any questions, just add any comments to the video, and then hope to see you with another exciting unboxing video. See ya. Take care.